Hello guys, welcome for a new tutorial. This is Mike. So let's get started. So here we have a new video game, a game I want to say, not video game, that we've made with Scratch coding, and it's a cat chasing mouse game. And this is how it goes. So we move the mouse with the mouse, and the cat is chasing the mouse. And when we touch the mouse, we have one more point. Like scoring one point. So this is what we try to do. I show it to you. Here I go, moving like this, so you can catch the cat, the mouse. So if I stay here, you see, I have 1 point. Keep moving it. 2 points, and there you go, like this, 3 points, and so on. Alright guys, so this is the game we try to do today. And let's get started. Nothing less, nothing much. So we need the two characters. So we go here, we type cat, get this one, the one we see his back, and we type on the mouse. We mouse here. Alright, we can get rid of the cat. Alright, we put the cat here, we put the mouse here, and we can look for a nice background for it. Right here, something nice, desert, could be cool. Alright, and this is what we do. So we start by coding the mouse. So, when we click on the green flag, as usual, and we can control all the time if the mouse is moving, so we use forever. From there, we use motion. So we use glide to. So we use glide to the mouse pointer. We're talking about this thing. Alright. And I can also put them some position when I get started. I can do that like this. I can put go to. There we go. And let's give it a try. Oh, it goes fast. If I'm really far, yeah. You kind of yeah. Alright, let's see if it gets started there. Alright. Alright, I can say wait 1 second and go there. It goes too fast. Let me give it a try. Boom. He didn't wait a second. Oh, because he didn't go there. That's what happened. Go to. Wait 1 second. However, did that. There you go. He goes there, and after that, he gets started. Good job. I should do the same too for the cat. So same thing, guys. It's really beginner friendly code. And we go to forever loop. And the thing, I want the cat to get started here. So we go to motion and go to there we go. Alright. We are good with the cat, so we only wait 1 second. I forgot something. Wait 1 second. So here we go. I put forever. I'm going to chase the cat. So we need to go to motion, that's for sure. And I can put glide, we can use the same thing again. Glide too. But glide 1 second to random position. But we're not gliding to random position, we're going gliding to the mouse. And so let me put you can choose whatever you want. You can put 0.5 seconds. We need to find a good balance between catching the cat and not be too fast, not be too slow. So I put 2 seconds, just for the sake of fun. Alright, let's get started. Alright, there we go. Yeah, go, allez, Mousy. Yeah, Mousy. There you go. You got a nice cat chasing game. Alright, come Mousy. Okay guys. Now I need the points. So we need a variable for that. Go here, make a variable, call it score. And when the game gets started, I want to put the points at 0, the score at 0. And that's the forever loop. If I need to put a condition, if I touch the mouse, I need to increase the points. So the condition is here, if sensing touching the mouse, if touching the mouse, increase the points. See what's going to happen. Increase the points, change points by 1. You see it here, guys. Alright guys, let's get started. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. It goes like this. Alright, let me keep the mouse here so you can touch it. You should have 1 more point. Oh crap, what's happening? Oh, sorry. What's happening? Let me move the is it not increasing? Alright, let me stop it guys, see what's happening. So if touching the mouse, so touching the mouse here, change my variable, change score. Alright, let me give it another try. See if it's increasing. Oh, it's increasing. Okay, it was the variable's name I needed to change. Alright, that's a good job. Alright guys, it seems the game is finished guys. Alright, nothing less, nothing much. Alright, so guys, as usual, I hope you enjoyed the game, you enjoyed the tutorial. Please leave some comments if you like it, give it some like too, and don't forget to share it with people you think will enjoy it, or with your friends, you know, who want to learn how to code, who have kids who want to learn how to code. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial.